Kit, hello, Kit. Good morning, Kit. Anna, hello, Kat. Good morning. Good morning. You say, good morning, teacher. Hi, good morning. Hello, Pat. Good morning, Pat. Where is Harich now? Okay, hi, Pat. Good morning. Good morning. Say good morning. Okay, very good. Good morning, Pat. Good morning, Pat. Okay, Pat. I am your new teacher, Teacher Lilibet. Pat, you don't know me yet, right? I am Teacher Lilibet, Pat, but Shane already knows about me. And Anna, hi. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, and Anna, hi, Anna. Good morning, Ka. How are you? Anna still sleepy? You just wake up, Anna. You just wake up. Hello, and Harry. Harry, this is Teacher Lilibet. Harry, this is Teacher Lilibet. Hi. Good morning. I miss you, Harry. Okay. I am happy to see you, Harry. I am happy to see you, Shane. Okay. Harry, hello. Anna and Pat. Hi. Good morning. Can we sing the good morning song first? Can you sing first the good morning song? Everybody, let us sing first our good morning song. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, how are you? Good morning, good morning. I'm fine, thank you. Good morning, my dear Kito. Good morning, Kito. Hi, Tin. Good morning. Hi, Tin. How are you? How are you?
Good morning, teacher.
Tin, this is Teacher Lilibet. Hello. Okay, Harish, can you smile?
Morning. Good morning, teacher. Leo.
You say good morning. Hello, Harish. Can you smile?
Hello, Leo.
Ten. Hello, Ten. Good morning, Ten. I miss you, Ten.
ไม่ได้ต้องนั่ง
Hey, Shing. Wait, what is that? A roller. What is that? Oh, roller. What is that? What, Shane? Very nice. That is that? What is that, Shane? What is that? The one that you're holding? A book.
เรียนไว้ต้องเรียนไว้ทุกวันแหละ
Oh, very good, Shane. Hey, hi, Shane. How are you? Good morning, Shane. This is Teacher Lilibet. Want to see me? I want you to take off my mask. Hi, this is Teacher Lilibet. Hi, Kiki. I miss you, Ken. Harich, what happened? Wait, what happened? Wait. Big boy now, Harich, I. Big boy now, Harich, I. You are Kito now, Harich, ah. Don't cry. Okay? Don't cry, Harich, Tin. Oh, very good, then I. Then very good. Tin is smiling. Oh, Harich is smiling now. Okay, very good. Are you ready for our science? Are you ready for our science? Tin, sit down, Tin. Sit down, Tin. I want you to sit down, Tin, and listen. Okay, I want you, before we go on further, I want you to first to prepare your book. This book. What is the chain? What? Oh, that is a very nice book, Shane. Okay, now prepare this book, your science book. This one, yes, very good. Shane, you have to prepare this book, Matt. Harich, Anna, and Pat, your science book. Your science book, you have to prepare this one first before. Hi, Nietzsche. Hi, Nietzsche, good morning. This is teacher Lilibet. Hi, Nietzsche. How are you, Nietzsche? I miss you. I am happy to see you again. Hello. Good morning, teacher. Can you say good morning, teacher? Okay, Nita, you have to prepare. All of you prepare. Okay, good morning, teacher. You have to prepare now this book, okay? Prepare your science book. Okay, so are you ready? Can we start now? Okay, first, who else is in there? We have Shane, Pat, Harriet, Kim, Anna, and Nitra. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we can start now. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
You miss me? You miss me, Nitra, then? And Shane?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes? Yes, because I miss you. Okay, let us start now. I prepared this one for you. Okay, I prepared this one. You have to listen now. You have to listen now because we are going to answer your book, okay? We are going to answer your science and technology book, okay? Get ready. Okay. Okay, welcome to our science class. I put it here. And now let us start. Hurry to listen, okay? All of you listen. Okay, the appearances of people. This is, we will open your book now. Open your book to page number 1. Open your book now to page number 1. Okay, the appearances of people. We are going to answer this one, okay? Okay, now let us start. Open your book to page number 1. Okay? Okay, now let us start. Before we go, I want you to listen to this one first. This song is about our topic, okay? Our topic, okay? Appearance of people. This song is related to our topic. It says the appearance of the people. It's okay, everyone. Alright, it's okay, everyone. like it? You like the song? Okay, that is the
ทำไมหายไปไหนเนี่ย
first song. Okay, this is all about. And this is related to our topic for today. I want you first to check this one out and enjoy. Okay, look at this one first. Let's check this one first. What does she look like? Okay, what does she look like?
เหมือนอะไรเนี่ย
So we are talking today about the appearances of where is Rora? I don't know. Oh no. You understand? Excuse me. I am looking for my sister. Okay. Don't worry. What is her name? Her name is Rora. She is six years old. What does he look like? She has short curly hair. What is she wearing? She's wearing a pink shirt and blue pants. What is
shirt and blue
wearing also?
shirt and white
Okay.
hair and wear
So
white
you
hair.
understand? Okay, you understand? So
Yes.
this is how we
อ้าว
describe
อย่า
the
เพิ่งเปิด
appearance
อยาก
of
ล้างดู
the people.
ก่อน
What they are wearing, about the clothes that we are wearing, the skin, the kind of hair that we are. This story is about looking at is describing the appearance of people, because this is our topic for today. We can describe the appearance of the people. Okay, now let's go and continue.
What does she look like มันดูเหมือนอะไรดูเหมือนอะไร
Okay, you understand? So we can describe the appearance of people. Okay, the way it looks. Okay, look at this one. How to describe people's hair?
this one
We have different types of hair, right? Like my hair,
อ้าวดูผม
brown,
ผมสีอะไร
long. Okay, you can describe also your hair. Describing hair. This hair is blonde hair.
แห่
Okay, this one is brown hair. Okay, you can describe people according to their hair. Okay, the color of this hair is red hair. Okay, this one black hair. Look at the color of the hair. Okay, Shane, what is the color of your hair? Okay, what is the color? Oh, very good. So Shane has black hair, and this one gray hair. Okay, this one is gray hair, and this one she's a brunette. Okay, and she's a blonde. Okay, she's a brown hair. And she's gray-headed. Okay, a ponytail. Look at the hair. Look at the style of the hair. Okay, a ponytail. Okay, this one is pigtails. Okay, this one is short hair. Okay, so there are different types of hair. So we can describe people by looking at their hair, their skin. Okay, now this is, we are describing people here by their hair. Hair.
ยาวร้อง
Where is
แห่
hair? Can you show me your hair? Okay,
ร้องแห่
Pat, what is the color of your hair, Pat? Your hair? What's the color of your hair? Aris, what is the color of your hair? Can you tell me? Your hair is? Color of your hair? Black. Okay, black. Very good. Anna, what is the color of your hair? Anna? What is the color of your hair, Anna?
แห่ผมน่ะน่าลิลิเบตเขามีผมยาวเนี่ยร้อง
What is
แห่
the color of your hair, Anna?
long hair, long brown
long,
hair.
and the color is black. Okay. So Anna, the color of the hair of Anna is black. And you can describe your hair, okay? It's long and black. Okay? And now let's go to this one. Gender. Okay? Gender. It will describe the gender will describe whether you are a boy or a girl. Okay?
Boy and a girl.
Gender will describe whether you are a boy or a girl. Okay? So,
Boy and a girl. Liệt đúng không? A boy and a girl.
And also, from the boy, Shane, you are a girl, right?
Yeah. A boy and a girl. Liệt. A girl and a boy.
The
A
gender
girl
of
and a boy.
is
A girl and a boy. Đúng không? Yeah, a girl and a boy.
Okay. Marriage is boy. Okay. Gender will describe whether you are a boy or a girl. Okay. And aside from the boy, you can
này boy, này girl, này boy, này luôn.
Boy.
Girl. Oh, yeah, very good.
Male. Boy also is. We can also call male. Okay. And the girl is female. Okay.
Male, trai, boy, male, girl, female.
Yes. Gender, you can boy or male. Okay. Boy or male. And for the girl, girl or female.
Boy.
Are you a boy or a girl?
Female.
You know?
Female.
Are you a boy or a girl? Are you male or female? Harris, are you male or female?
Girl niอะไรผู้หญิง
Harris.
เด็กผู้หญิง girl, female, boy, male, boy and male.
Boy,
male, ผู้ชาย girl, female.
Are you male or female?
Boy.
Female.
Shane?
Boy, male.
Are you male or female?
Female.
Okay, female. Okay, for gender, you can identify if you are a boy or a girl. Okay? Or male for the boy, female for the girl. Okay? You understand? Okay. And you look at the book first. I want you to look at the book first. Okay, the instruction in here. You have to put a thing in the back. Okay, you have to
female.
take your book, put a thing in the back of a report for the appearance as it. Okay, you have to put a thing.
Female, male.
Or a female, okay?
Male.
Okay, you have to put a T. Now let's go to this one, okay? For dressing, you can also identify the way what they are wearing, okay? You can describe what they are wearing, the color of the dress, and the color of the skin, okay?
Female.
Okay, this is a male. The first picture here,
male.
A male. He is male or boy. Boy or male. Okay. And he is wearing a light yellow shirt and then the orange pants. He has a brown hair and brown eyes. Right? Okay. And you can describe all of these pictures. And the next picture, you can describe this one as she is blonde. Her hair is blonde. Her eyes is brown, blue. She has a blue eye.
female.
Put on the palm.
Okay.
On the shoe.
Hi, Kamsai, you are there. Kamsai.
ผมคนนี้ยาวไหมสั้น
Morning.
ยาวนี่ลอง
Kamsai, who
ล
else
อง
is
ยาว
there?
ช็อตสั้น ผมยาวไหมยาว
Okay.
เชิญไหน
You
นี่
understand
เร็ว
already?
ผมยาว อันนี้ผมยาว อันนี้ผมสั้น
Kamsai, I
ไหนนี่ผม
Very good. You're
ผม
answering
ยาวหรือผม
now.
สั้นผู้หญิงคนเนี้ยเด็กผู้หญิง
Okay.
คนเนี้ย
You only have to describe this
ผ
one.
ม
This
ยาว อันนี้
picture.
ผมยาว อันนี้ผมสั้น ติ๊กอันไหน
Okay, you have to describe these two pictures.
ยาว
Okay.
ที
The way they
Next,
dress,
ไม่
if
เตื
they
อน
are
ไม่ขึ้นเลย
male or female.
โอเค ต่อไป
Okay, you have to
จะ
answer.
ตายแล้วอลิสโอเคอลิสต่อไป
Okay, Tin, are you finished? Are you already answering, Tin? Huh? Have you
พูด
put
เลย
a
กันเล่น
Tin?
เล่นลงภูถามเสร็จอย่างอันเดียว
You answer already, Pat?
ชายนี่ผู้หญิงแล้ว
Okay, Shane, very good,
อันนี้เครื่องแต่ง
Shane.
ตัวพูดออนส
Kamsai,
เกิร์ต
very good. Anna, you
Yeah,
answer
look.
already.
พูดออนสเกิร์ตพูดออนสเกิร์ต
You answering your book?
ออนสเกิร์ต
Okay, now let's
Go.
continue. Okay, let's continue to
แล้วคนนี้
this one. Okay, I want to
เพื่อน
continue
ประกวด
first.
มา
Okay, so you can describe the way they dress and what's the color
อันนี้ดู
of
ฟี
their
เมล
dress.
คนนี้ดูเด็กผู้ชายคนนี้ เป็นเมลผู้ชายเป็นเมลแล้ว
Okay, and also
ถู
Nisha,
ก
you answer already, right? Nisha?
dressing
Okay.
ผู้ชายผมสั้นหรือผมยาวครับมา
And
ลิ
the
ส
color
ยาวสั้นหรือผมยาว
the
นี่
color
ลอง
of the
นี่
hair,
ยาวอัน
if
นี้
it is
สั้นอันไหน
long,
ลูกนี่ลองอันนี้ช็อ
color
ต
of the hair,
ยาวอันนี้สั้นอันไหนผมสั้นอันไหนผม
if it
สั้น
is long or short. Okay, look at this one.
อ้าว
Okay,
เดร
these
ส
two
อันนี้ใส่
pictures.
อะไร
Okay, she.
แพนอันนี้
Now
กางเกงอยู่อ่ะ
Yes,
ใส่กระ
yes.
โปรงใน
And
ผู้หญิ
how
งเนี่ย
about
ผู้หญิง
this
ใส่กระโปรง
one?
นี่พูดออน
This is
แพ
a
นอันนี้เร็วนะ
female, and he has brown. She has a brown hair, blue eyes, and
Same
she's
FPL ที่
wearing
ปรากฏเหมือนกัน
pink
color
dress with white inside, right? This is how you describe people. And this one, he is a female, and he has black hair. He is wearing white shirt and green short, right? You know how you can describe yourself now. And how about this one? This one is he is a female also with brown hair and blue eyes. He is wearing white shirt and blue shorts. Yes. Yes. And then this one, how you describe this one? This picture? How you describe this picture? Okay. He has and the color of, I think this is orange. The color of his hair is orange. He has a green eyes. You look at his eyes. It's green, right?
skin color แล้ว skin color แล้ว
Yes, green
เหมือนกันคือสี
eyes.
ผิวอ่ะสี
And
ผิว
he is wearing a black shirt and light blue pants. Right? Okay. And this one, the color of his hair is black, and the color of his skin is black also.
นี่ฟังครูมันสิอย่าบิด
The color of the shirt is olive green, and the color of the short is yellow. So this is how you describe people. Okay. How about Nietzsche? Can you describe yourself? The color of your hair, color of your skin. Can you do it, Nietzsche?
your skin ผิว
Your hair.
Yes.
I have black hair. Okay, Nietzsche. Can you describe? You know already how to describe yourself? Aris, you know already how to describe yourself? Shane? Anna?
มาลิส
Okay, Kamsai?
ครูเนี่ยฟังเนี่ย
You know already how to describe yourself, right? So I will give you an example. let's go to this one. I will give you here an example on how to do your book. Okay? This one is describing people. Okay. For the hair, look at this picture. For the hair, okay, it's a bald, straight, curly, wavy, short, or long. Okay? This girl here is, she has got long and curly hair. Okay? She has got long and curly hair. So you need to put check. You need to put check like that. You have to check the curly and you also have to check long. Okay? You have to check. Okay, that's like this. You have to check. Okay? For the skin, is she white, fair, dark, brown, or honey? So the correct answer is, her skin is fair. So you need to put the right answer, right? Okay, just do like this. And about the lips, her lips, look at this one. Her lips is full, thin, corn, chestnut, chip. You have a choices here. And the correct answer is she has got full lips. So the answer is full. So you need to put a lip. This is an example. This is the same as in your book, okay? So general appearance, she is very beautiful, cute, pretty, handsome, ugly, attractive. So the answer is, she is very pretty. Pretty. So you need to check this one, pretty. Okay? Okay. And for the face, is she has a round, oval, square, or what? So the answer is she has a round face. So you have to put a tick the round face. Okay, you have to just do like this, okay? How about the age? How about the age? Look at the picture. Look at the picture. The age is she young, middle age, or old? So the answer is, she is very young teen. Okay, so you need to put
มันขึ้น บางทีก็ขึ้นทางลิฟต์เหมือนกัน แต่เขาจะเรียกขึ้น
And for the belt, is she
แต่เขาเห็นอยู่
thin,
มั้ง
slim, fat, obese, or what? So she is, the answer is, she is slim. So you have to check the correct answer. You have to put this one. Yes, slim, okay? And she has a blue eyes. You also have to put check or check. And how about the height? Is she short, average height, or tall? She is short. So you have to check the board. Okay? Is it so easy? You answer already? I already answered here.
หนูชอบไม่ได้หรอกเพราะหนูต้องเรียนก่อน
This is an example and you know now what to do, right? You already know how to answer your book, right? Okay. So I think you know already and you understand. How about teacher? Can you describe yourself? How about can you describe your appearance, teacher? Your hair is, what is the color of your hair, Nisha? Nisha, what is the color of, you answer already, right? You have to answer your book, okay? This is very easy. You can answer, okay? Your book already. You finished answering your book. Okay, now I want you to describe yourself. Nisha, can you describe yourself? Your hair. Your hair, Nisha. I said, what is the color of your hair? Color. What is the color of your hair, Nisha?
ไปไหน ไปไหน ใส่รองเท้าเร็ว
Okay, what is the
เร็ว
color of your hair, Nisha?
เอามา
Color of Nisha's hair is black. Black, right, Nisha? Can say. Okay, Kentai, can you describe yourself? What is the color of your hair, Kentai? Your hair. What is the color of your hair? Color? Color?
Black.
Black. Very good. And is it curly or straight? Curly or straight? Curly. Okay. Kensai's hair is black and curly. Right? And also long. Kensai.
My hair is
Long.
black.
Okay. Long. Okay, this is your hair is long and
Short.
curly
Short.
like that.
Short.
Okay. And the color of your hair is black. Okay, you can describe your hair, okay?
Short.
And how about Harriet? Can you describe yourself?
Notebook, right?
Harriet, what is the color of your hair, Harriet? Harriet? Hello?
Harriet?
Oh,
Hello.
what is the color of your hair? The color of your hair, Harriet's hair is? Color is?
Short. A little short.
Okay, very good. Harriet, yes? Color of your hair? Black. Black?
Black.
Okay,
Black.
black. And is it short or long? Harriet? Is it short or
Black.
long? What is
And
it?
short.
Short. Short hair. Right?
Black and short.
Oh, yes, very good. And
Black and
And
short.
Shane, I want you to describe your hair, Shane. Can you describe your shirt, your hair, Shane? What is the color of your hair?
Yellow. Yellow. ตอบด้วย ต้องไปตอบด้วย
Black.
Yellow. ไม่ใช่ Yellow.
Black hair.
Yellow.
Shane has black hair, right? And is it straight or curly? Is it straight or curly? Shane, is it straight or curly? You, huh? Straight. You have straight hair, Shane, right? And what is the color of your shirt? Can you tell me? What is the color of your shirt? Pink. Very good. Are you a male or a female? Hey, are you a male or a female? A boy or a girl? A boy or a girl? Shane.
A boy.
Girl. Very good, Shane. Very good. Also very good. Now let's go to Kemtai. Also very good. You answer already. Nisha. Nisha. You know what is the color? Your hair is? Your hair is? I want your hair. The color of your hair, Nisha, is black.
Black.
Can you answer it? And straight or curly? Is it straight or curly? Curly. You have a curly hair, Nisha. And what is the color of your shirt? What is the color of your shirt? Blue. Very good. You are very good, Nisha. And now I want to find item.
Yellow. อะไรเนี่ยสีอะไรไม่รู้ Yellow. A yellow.
Okay, now I want to know, Anna. Anna, what is are you finished, Anna, right?
มีอยู่ในบ้านมีอยู่ในบ้าน
Anna, your hair is
โลกนี้อยู่ขั้วโลกเหนือไหม
long.
ฟัง
Anna?
คุณครูพูดเป็นไรล่ะฮาริตะ
Okay, item.
แล้วฟังก่อนลูก
Item. Item, sit down. You have to listen. Item, I'm happy to see you. Very good, Item. Very good, Item. I'm happy to see you. And then, Anna, can you describe first your hair? Anna, I want to hear from you. Your hair is? The color of your hair is? Black. Anna. Black, right? Anna, look at here.
ต้องเป็นนักเรียนไง
Look at here, Anna. Okay, what is the color of your shirt, Anna? Anna, I want to know the color of your shirt. Okay. Crimson. Sing, 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 sing. Okay. I am so happy to see you here. I hope all of you, all of you can join always our Zoom class, okay? I will be teacher will be very happy if I can see you every day. And okay? Okay, so, yes, Ka. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying and you learn that about the parents for today, and you can now, I hope you can now describe yourself, okay? You can now describe yourself. You can say, I have a long black hair, my skin is brown, okay? I am wearing white shirt, something like that, okay? So I hope you can know now how to describe yourself. I think
long, a short black hair.
Next time, Item, you have to come early.
Bye-bye.
We are about to finish. But at least you came. Bye-bye. Hi, bye-bye. We are about to end. Okay, bye-bye. Next time you come early, okay? Bye-bye. Next time you have to come early. Don't be late. Okay? Okay. So you have to answer bye-bye and Item this book, your science book, page number 1, okay? Page number 1. Bye-bye. You are late, okay? Bye-bye and Item. Next time, don't be late, okay? Bye-bye and Item. Oh, very good, Kim Sai. Yay! I am so happy. You finished your work. Okay, so this is all for today. So our time is up. So I will see you on Thursday again. I will see you again on Thursday, okay? You have to prepare. We have math and science on Thursday. So you need to come early. Don't be late, okay? So I love you all, my children. I want to see your shine. Your heart shine. All of you, your heart shine. Heart. Okay, very good, Ma. Okay, very good. Bye-bye. I love you. Bye. Thursday. Okay?
Bye con, bye bye teacher con.
Wednesday.
Okay, bye. See you on Thursday. I love you all. I love you, my dear students. I love you so much. Bye.
Thursday.